What's up everyone, welcome back to my channel. As you guys already know that today is going to be this fun look right here, and I'm also going to show you how to do your full face makeup without foundation. So yes, it's going to be fun, but before that, for all those who don't know me, my name is Sarah and welcome to my channel. Please don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and don't forget to leave your lovely comments down below and subscribe, and also go follow me on Instagram. My Instagram ID is down below in the description box. Alright, so without wasting any further time, let's dive right into it. Okay, so I'm going to start with moisturizing my skin first. Although I did moisturize my skin in the morning, but that was like a couple of hours back. So I'm going to moisturize my skin with this CeraVe moisturizing cream. Okay, so I have moisturized my skin now it's time for the next step. So because we're not going to be using the foundation, I'm going to use a tinted moisturizer in its place. But as you guys already know that a tinted moisturizer does not give you the coverage that you require, that you need. So I'm going to go ahead and start with concealer first. So basically what we're doing here is a reverse makeup technique wherein I'm going to go ahead with the concealer first and then with the tinted moisturizer to get the maximum coverage with this routine. Alright, so for concealer, I'm going to be using the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. It's in the shade Light Medium Sand. So I'm going to put this under my eyes and all the other places that I want to highlight as well as conceal. So before blending all this in, I'm going to go ahead and use the e.l.f. Camo Concealer in the shade Cinnamon as a contouring shade. Okay, so now I'm going to go and blend this off camera and I'll be back. Alright you guys, so as you guys can see that I've done the blending part. Now I'm going to go ahead with my Colorpop tinted moisturizer, and this is in the shade Medium 10N. I'm going to use this. I'm going to do some pumps. I'm going to take a tiniest bit for my forehead. So as you guys can see that I've got a pretty decent coverage with this tinted moisturizer, and that is the reason that I apply the concealer before the tinted moisturizer to give a little more coverage, because tinted moisturizer do not really give good coverage. So this is the skin part. Now let's go ahead with the eye makeup, and for that I'm going to start with priming my eyelids, and for that again I'm going to use the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. Okay, so now I'm going to use my Fit Me Loose Powder and I'm going to put this on my eyelids to set the base. So for today's look, I'm going to be using the Physicians Formula Rose All Day in collaboration with Exterior Glam collection, and this is a perfect palette for the look that I am going to go ahead with today. So as you guys already know that this is the eye look that I will be creating today. So I'm going to start with the shade Limited Edition right here, and I'm going to be using the e.l.f. eye contour brush. I'm going to dip that into this shade. I'm going to start with my outer corners. So I'm going to apply it on my outer corners just like this in small stifling like this. Okay, so I'm going to do this. Okay, so now I'm going to take my blending brush and I'm going to blend it outwards, and I'm going to give it an angle just like this one, and I'm also going to blend it just above my crease. Now I'm going to dip into that shade again and I'm going to apply it on my inner corners. And I'm going to blend it just above my crease. I love this shade. Alright, so now I'm going to dip into this. Oh, okay, so this shade's name was Tea Dua. Okay, that's an interesting name. So now I'm going to dip into this shade right here, and the shade's name is Poppin'. I'm going to take the same brush and I'm going to dip into the beautiful rose shade, and now I'm going to apply it on my outer corners just to darken the outer corner a bit and to give that little nice rose touch to it. And again I'm going to use my blending brush and I'm going to blend it outwards. Okay, so I will be cleaning this up after I'm done and I will clean this up with a concealer. So no worries about that. Just going to keep putting it over here and give this nice, warm touch to it. So now I'm going to go ahead with this beautiful champagne shade right here, and I'm going to apply it on the places that I applied the first shade, as in I'm going to apply it right here, only on the lid. I'm nowhere crossing the crease or anything. Just going to apply it here just to give that beautiful touch. I'm going to clean this up. Okay, so now I'm going to use this rich shade right here. It's such a beautiful shade, and just like this eyes, I'm going to apply it on the middle area that I left out. Again, I'm going to use my fingers and I'm just going to put it on my lids in the middle where I left some space. I'm going to use my Tarte Shape concealer, Tarte Shape tip concealer, and I'm just going to apply a little bit just to clean this up. All right, I'm going to use the same champagne shade for my inner corners over here too. I'm again going to use my fingers to do that. I'm going to apply the same rose shade right here, and I'm going to apply it on the lower lash line just to give that a little smoky look and a good. To apply it, I'm going to connect it from the outer corners, and I'm going to again leave a space in the middle for the blue glitter. Okay, so in the middle space right here, I'm going to use that rich shade that is the blue glitter, and I'm going to apply it over here, just a tiniest bit, and just going to take it a little downwards. I'm going to go ahead and use my Essence Lash Princess mascara, and I'm going to apply it on my lower lashes, and then I'm going to go ahead and apply my fake eyelashes, and I'll be back. Alright you guys, so I've applied my lashes and this is the final look, but we're not done yet. We still have the rest of the face to be done. So now I'm going to go ahead and do some bronzing, and for that I'm going to be using my Milani Suntan Bronzing Powder. And for the blusher, I'm going to use the same Physicians Formula palette, and I'm going to use this blush shade right here. It's just so perfect, right? Okay, so I'm going to apply some blush. Alright, so before going in with the highlighter, I'm going to go ahead and use my Fit Me powder, my Fit Me powder to set my under eyes and my T-zone. Basically, I'm just going to use a very, small amount of the powder, and I'm just going to brush it off like this, and I'm just going to apply it under my eyes just to set it over here. And now I'm just going to go ahead and put some highlighter on, and for that I'm going to use this highlighter over here. I'm so excited to use this. I haven't used this, and it's named Freshly Picked. It definitely looks freshly picked. Anyways, okay, so I'm going to use my highlighter brush and just going to highlight. Oh my god, my god, this is so beautiful. Okay, I'm going to apply some on my nose, over here, on my chin, some here. All right, and I'm also going to apply it on my brow bone right. So for lipstick, again I'm going to use the lipstick that is in this palette right here, this right here. It's a beautiful shade, and it's definitely it will definitely complement the look that I have made today, and the lipstick just fell, so you have to wait. You guys, so now to complete the look, I am going to use my Colorpop Luxe lip gloss, and this is in the shade Tied Up. Alright you guys, so we are done with the whole look, and now you know how to do your full face makeup without foundation. All you need is a concealer, a tinted moisturizer, and you're good to go. I'm going to give you a close-up of this look right away.
Alright you guys, so I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. I am going to, complete the look with this perfume right here. I'm just going to apply it. Oh my god, it smells so good.
Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. I'll be back next week. You can go ahead and watch any of my videos from the playlist that's going to just pop up. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to leave your comments down below, and also most importantly, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and also go follow me on Instagram. You guys, you are missing out on a hell a lot of stuff. Please go follow me on Instagram. My ID will be down below in the description box, and all the products that I've mentioned in this video will be linked down below in the description box. You can go and check out the description box for any of your product queries. All right you guys, so we're gonna meet next week. Till then, bye, take care.